Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the HS commodity code under the warehouse in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the product master menu under the warehouse module. After clicking that, the product list page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to select the required client and enter the product code and product name. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the product details will be shown. Here we have to click the edit button. On this product master entry page, we have to enter the HS commodity code. Then we have to click the save changes button. This is how to update the HS commodity code under the warehouse module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.